Lesson 2.9, fractions, introducing mixed operations or mixed numbers. Tim and Dom share 5 licorice sticks. If they share the sticks equally, how much will each person have? They will need to break one of the sticks, because this is for Tim, Dom, Tim, Dom. So they need to share this one. Then they will have 2 whole pieces each plus half a piece each. So they will have two whole and half of this. Imagine all the licorice sticks were broken in half before sharing. How would you write each share as a fraction? Each share as a fraction would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2. 5, 2. Because they are all broken into halves. So Tim we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Dome we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 2, 5 halves. A mixed number is a whole number and a common fraction added together and written as a single number without the addition symbol. So this can be written as how many 2 in 5? That is 2. And remaining 1, 1 half. And we can write it as 2, 1 half. So each person will get 2, 1 half. Mixed numbers can be made by joining amounts in different ways. We can rewrite 3 2/5 to be equivalent to 3 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2/5. 3 whole number, 2/5. And we can also write the same number, 3 2/5, to be equivalent to 2 plus 1, which is 3 whole number, then 2/5 plus 2/5. So how could you show 4 3/8 as a sum of other numbers? We can show 4 3/8 to be 4 plus 3/8, or to be 2 plus 2 plus 3/8. We can show it in a different number of ways, or number of different ways. So now let's go on to the workout. Read each problem and look at the picture. Write the total as a mixed number. What do we mean by mixed number? This is what we mean by mixed. A whole number and a fraction. It's called mixed number. Part A, Jack bought 2 sandwiches. The shaded parts show how much he ate. How much did Jack eat? So we have 2 whole, then cut into 4 pieces. We have a whole and 1/4. So Jack ate 1 whole, then 1/4 of sandwiches. Part B, Pim's family bought 3 pizzas. The shaded parts show how much they ate. How much did they eat? So we have pizza cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. So they have 2 whole. We write 2 whole, then 3 eighths. So the eighths, 2 whole number, 3 eighths of the pizza. Now let's go into number 2. Each large shape is 1 whole. Shape the shapes to show the mixed number. So we have 3 whole number. So we shade 3 of this. So we have shaded 3 whole, then we have to shade 1/5, which is 1 part of a fifth. So there you go. We have 3 whole number and 1/5. Part B, we have to shade 2 whole. So we have 2 whole, then 3 of 6. So we shade 3. 3 of 6. Now part C, 1 whole. Then 5 of 8. So we have to shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of 8. Now 3, 3 or number 2/4. So we have to shade 3 of the shapes. Three whole number, then we have 2/4. So we shade 1, 2. There you have it, folks. Now let's go on to number 3. Complete the common fractions and mixed numbers. So using number line, so we see 1 is splitted into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here will be 1, 0 from 0, 1, 2, 2/4. And here will be 4 over 4, which is a whole, 1. When the number is the same, it's a whole. When the numerator is the same as the denominator, they are whole number. Now this will be 1 whole, then 1/4, 1/4. This will be 1 whole and 1, 2, 3, 3/4. And it can also mean 4, 5, 6, 7, 7/4. So counting on from 7, 8, 9, 9/4. And this can be 2 whole number, and we have 1, 2, 2/4. And here, 2 whole number, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 3/4. So there you have it, guys. Now let's go on to number 4. Each large shape is 1 whole. Complete each equation to show how much is shaded. Write the total as a common fraction, then as a mixed fraction. These are common fractions, and these are mixed fractions. When it's got a whole number, it's mixed fraction. When it's in fraction like this, it's called common fraction. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eighths. Then we have 8 of 8 plus 1, 2, 2 eighths, which will be equal to 4 plus 8, that is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 eighths. And 14 eighths, how many eighths can we get in 14? That is 1. 14 minus 8, that is 6 eighths. So we write it as a common fraction and as a mixed fraction. Now part B. This is split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double 5, that is 10. So 3 parts are shaded, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded, and the whole 10 tenths are shaded. So let's add them up. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 10, 17 tenths are shaded. Now, as a mixed number, how many 10 in 17? That is 1. 17 minus 10 remains 7. 7 tenths. Now let's go on to the fast finishers. Write 3 different ways to make a total of 3 6/8. You can draw pictures on recycled papers to help. So we can have 16 eighths plus 8 eighths plus 6 eighths. 16 plus 8 will be 24, plus this will be 30. How many 8s in 30? That is 3. 24. 30 minus 24, we have 6/8. Now 6, this one again, we can also use 10 eighths plus 10 eighths plus 10 eighths, which will be 30. over 8, which will give us 3 whole number, 6 eighths. And we can also do it this way: 1 whole number, 1 eighth plus 1 whole number, 2 eighths plus 1 whole number, 3 eighths, which will be 1, 2, 3, 3 whole number, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 eighths. There you have it, folks. Now let's go on to the practice. Practice 2.9. Read the problem and look at the picture. Write the total as a mixed number. So Mook bought 3 pancakes. The shaded part shows how much she ate. How much did Mook eat? So we have 1, 2. We have 2 whole number. Then 2/3. 2/3 of the pancake. Number 2. Each large shape is 1/0. Shade the shape to show the mixed number. Two whole number. And 1/6. So we'll shade one part of the 6th. There you go. Now the next one, 4. So we're going to shade 1, 2, 3, 4, and one part of the 4th. Part C. Part C. We're going to shade 1, 2, and 3 parts of the 6th, of this 5th. 1, 2, 3. There you have it. 1, 2. Then this one. Part D, 2 whole numbers. So we're going to shade all this, shade this, and 3 parts of this one. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts shaded. Now let's go on to number 3. Complete the common fractions and mix numbers. This is splitted into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of 6 is 1, right? So now this one will be 1, 2, 3. 3/6. This one will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7/6. This will be 7, 8, 9, 10. 10/6. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17/6. And here, mixed numbers, we have 1 whole, then we count from here, start counting again. 1, 2, 3. 3/6. And here 1 whole, then 3, 4, 5. 5/6. And here we have 2 whole, then start counting again. 1, 2. 2/6. We have 2 whole number. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/6. There you have it. Now number 4. Use the number line in question 3 to write these mixed numbers as common fractions. 1, then 7, 6 will be here. 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One whole number, that is 6, 6. From here, we count 7, 7, 6. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now let's count on from where it will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it will be 13 sixths. One whole number, then 11 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 will be here. So now let's count 6, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17 sixths. One whole number, one whole number, and 15. So 1, so this one will be 6. 6 plus 15 will be 21. 6. And this one is 6. 6 plus 12 will be 18 sixths. 6 plus 7 will be 23 sixths. There you have it, folks.